Good morning, everyone. This is Preeti, and I'm from Computer Science Department from RYM Engineering College, Ballari. And I'm doing this seminar under the guidance of Dr. Veer Gangadhar Swami, Professor, Department of CSE, RYMEC. My topic is melanoma skin cancer detection using image processing. So these are the contents: abstract, introduction, work done, flow diagram, work done steps in detail, literature survey, conclusion, and reference. Visible.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Okay, sir. Okay, so as we all know that there are three types of cancers, skin cancer, which is basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and melanoma. And among all these three, melanoma is the most dangerous and the survival rate is way too low. The proposed skin cancer detection technology is divided into two parts. The thing is, there are two parts, which is image pre-processing and segmentation. In the image pre-processing, there are things which are done like hair removal, noise removal, and sharpening. And in segmentation, we use the methods such as OTSU method and SVM. If you're wondering what OTSU is, then this is actually an algorithm which can divide the pixels into two classes, which is foreground and background. And we are going to talk about SVM in the further slides. So this was basically about the abstract. So next, let's move to introduction. So in introduction, melanoma is the most dangerous, as we all know, and we have already discussed about it. And early detection of melanoma can improve the survival rate. As per the research, in every hour, a person dies due to melanoma in USA, and approximately 87,110 cases of melanoma was diagnosed in the year 2018, and among them 9,730 people died due to melanoma. Melanoma consists of only 1% of the total skin cancer cases, but the reason for the majority of the skin cancer death is due to melanoma. And most of the time, it is caused due to UV radiation. And according to the survey by UK University, 86% of the melanoma is caused due to UV radiation. And if a person has more than 5 skin burns, then the risk of the melanoma doubles. And if person uses SPF 15 as a sunscreen or above, the risk of the melanoma is reduced by 50%, and the squamous cell carcinoma is reduced by 40%. The work done here is in 5 steps. Step 1 is image acquisition. Step 2 is image pre-processing. Step 3 is segmentation. Step 4, feature extraction. And step 5, designing the model. So this is the flow diagram. Here, these two rows, in this, the first row is the training phase, and the second one is the test phase. In the training phase, we input the image, pre-process it, we do feature extraction, and SVM training is also done to it, and it is stored in the database, and it is sent to SVM machine. And in the second phase, which is the test phase, so what happens is we query the image, pre-process it, segment it, and feature extract it, and we get the result. So these are the steps in detail. So the first step, as I've already told, which is image acquisition. Here, we're gonna make use of two types of images, which is dermatoscopy image and digital image. In dermoscopy image, which is captured by dermatoscope, and digital image is captured using any electronic device, which can be mobile also. The image captured by dermatoscope as eye focus on the region of interest, whereas the image captured by the mobile phone has less focus on the region of interest. So the step 2 is the image pre-processing. The process involved here is the hair removal, opening and closing algorithm, noise removal, which is done using the median filter, enhancement, which is done using histogram, and color conversion, which can be done using resizing the images. And the next step is image segmentation. The skin images on which we are going to work contains the cancerous mole along with the skin part. So it is important to remove the region of interest. As I've already told, we divide the uh, as I've already told, we divide the uh, yeah, we basically make use of algorithm which is OTSU, which is where the pixel is divided into foreground and background. Yeah, that is what we basically use here. And in the feature extraction, which is the next step, uh, we make use of the machine learning algorithm where we need to predefine the features. And the proposed method here is GLCM. And GLCM stands for gray level co-occurrence matrix. To create the gray co-matrix function, to create this gray co-matrix function is used, and gray level co-occurrence matrix is created by gray co-matrix function. It takes two values, which is I and j. So these are the steps, like the segmentation which I've already told. Like this is the foreground and the background image. And the classification, we'll see that in the next slide, which is the final step, designing the model. So to design the skin cancer detection model, there are three proposed methods, which is artificial neural network, deep neural network, and support vector machine. So we make use of support vector machine here. So if you're basically wondering what support vector machine is, so it is basically a supervised machine learning model, which is used for classification. Here there are, as you can see from the diagram, there are two types of classes. If we want to classify these two, then we make use of SVM. So there is a red line here, which is basically called a hyperplane, and there are other two lines which are called margins, and the distance between them is called gap. We have to draw the hyperplane in such a way that the distance of the support vectors. So these are called the support vectors. The nearest one to the hyperplanes are called the support vectors, and yeah, the basically the margin must be maximum. We can draw a line in this way, anyway. But the thing is, the distance between these support vectors must be maximum. So that is what basically what SVM is. So this is the literature survey. In the year 2017, Enakshi Jana, Dr. Ravi Subban, and S. Saraswati have released a paper on the research on skin cancer cell detection using image processing. So here, they made use of the segmentation algorithms such as k-means, threshold in histogram, etc. Feature extraction from the segmentation image and classification of the image from the features set extracted from the segmented image. And the second one was published in the year 2018, and the author names are Gino George, Renoy Matthew, Oman, Shani Shelley, Steffi Sarah Philosophy, and the title of the paper was Computer-Aided Melanoma Skin Cancer Detection Using Image Processing. They basically made use of a lesion image analysis tool to create to check for various melanoma parameters like asymmetry, border, color, and diameter. This is called the ABCD rule. These features are later used to classify the image into cancerous or non-cancerous cells. In the year 2018, Ilya Maglogenis, Elias Zaprifolos, Christos Kyronondis has released a paper on skin cancer detection using a machine learning algorithm. So what they basically did is, here also they made use of ABCD rule, as I've already mentioned previously, which is asymmetry, border, color, and diameter. GLCM hog features for the early detection of the skin lesions. So this was basically about the literature survey and the conclusion. So the proposed system of the skin cancer detection can be implemented using support vector machine to classify easily whether the image is cancerous or non-cancerous. The system will determine the stage of the skin cancer based on the various features such as area of the spread, diameter, color of the lesion, etc. The analysis can be made with the help of the machine learning algorithm, in which we train the system based on the history of the images stored in the database, and test image comes in the category of melanoma or not. If it does, then to determine its stage, a comparison can be made with the existing system. Machine learning reduces the computational time. Hence, the treatment can begin faster. So these are the references, and these are some web links.